In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join channel and how to search for channel on WhatsApp. So let's dive in. Open your WhatsApp. Now, what we're going to do is now click on your updates, then scroll down, and these are the channel. Let's search. Let's see. I'm going to no, let's see. Just scrolling like this, and you're going to see some channel, and you can just click on explore more. On your explore more, let's search for the channel I want to save. Just search for the entertainment. I'm going to search on okay, sports. No, let's search on okay. We're going to search on music, and it's going to bring a lot of music for you. Okay, you can see. Just come follow. Click on follow. I'm going to search for skits, and it's going to bring everyone that is doing skit for you. Click on this, and if you have the name of the someone you want to search for example, now I'm going to search for let's say okay. I'm sorry, I'm just looking for a name. Okay, Tauma. You can see, so it's going to bring a lot of things for you. You can see Tauma. Just click on follow, and let's go back and see those that will follow. I'm going to start the channel now, and these are the channel we'll follow. You can see these are the channel we'll follow. Let's see, yeah, this is it. You can see these are the channel that I'll follow. So guys, if this app, drop a comment and like and subscribe. Thank you guys.